medical issue for today's edition of The Law in You. Guys that are always in great medical shape, attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Guys, it's nice to see you today.
Greg ran a marathon yesterday.
He did. You know, he does it all, pothole patching to marathon and skiing and everything. Great guys. All right, let's get to the question. This one is from Bonnie in Luzerne. Bonnie says, I was in the hospital for a routine gallbladder surgery. After the surgery, I spent months in the hospital because of a staph infection. I have had to be on medication and I have lost my job. Is there anything I can do? So it looks like Bonnie is wondering, is there anything she could do maybe against the hospital in a legal capacity?
Well, I don't know. I mean, and that's really the answer to that question. I mean, sometimes when you're in a hospital setting, people do develop infections. That can happen. So you may not have a medical malpractice case in this particular situation. We would need some more facts to know whether you do or not. Staph infections can happen. If the hospital is doing everything that they're supposed to be doing, that incident or that likelihood is decreased, but I just, based upon what you're telling us, we need a little bit more information to tell you whether you should or could have a medical malpractice case.
From our perspective, we do get a lot of calls on these infection cases, and they're very, very fact specific. So what Ed is basically saying is you need to get your records, you need to have someone take a look at them, and it'll be very record-based, and obviously based upon your timeline, you'll give the facts of what happened. But it's important for you to go gather your medical records, get them to some lawyers who can take a look at them and take a look at it. But you know, staph infections, you know, anytime you're in the hospital, that's where all the germs are. So you know, it seems that the super bugs lie there. So definitely get your stuff together and have someone take a look at it.
So for anybody out there in that type of situation and they're looking for a legal consultation, how can they reach you guys?
They can consult with us at 570-714-HURT, or they can see us on the web at 714hurt.com.
Or go to our Facebook page, and if you need a consultation, then put something on our Facebook page and we'll do our best to answer it on an upcoming segment.
These guys they're ousting me today. All right, attorneys Greg Fellerman
and you're the
Ed
pro.
Saramboli. Yeah, well, you guys are good too. We got to give you some credit. I got to let you guys look good sometimes as well. As always, to get your legal questions on The Law in You, PAHomepage.com, or give us a call on the hotline.